The mooring hitch knot is a knot that you can use to link a rope to an object. It has a quick release system. If you pull this running hand over here, the knot comes undone. For making this knot, you have to pass the rope inside the object. In this case, I use a carabine. Put the running hand over the standing part, like this. Turn the running hand over the standing part, passing from above, not from below, under this part of the rope. We turn the rope like this, and we put it under this part of the standing part. Now we can also pull a little bit, and as you can see, there is this part of the standing part and this running hand over here. We have to pass the running hand inside this loop, but we have to make sure that we leave a bite over here. So we do like this. As you can see, there is a little bite. Now we can pull a little bit. Also the standing part, all the lines, but we have to make sure that the bite stays like this. We can pull a little bit this part of the bite, and we can close the knot like this. If we close the knot, as you can see, the knot stays here. Otherwise, if we leave the knot like this, if we pull, the knot can tie to the object like this. Then, when we want to undo the knot, we just pull this part